Morning, my dear YouTube viewers. Today also we will continue with some more sources. Example, memories. Some persons are interested to write down one's own memories about their travels, participation in war, hunting, expeditions, excavations, explorations, mountaineering and assaults, etc. But it says excessive exaggeration about their goal or objective leads to the successive achievements. Hence, memory should not be considered as a reliable source of data. Limitations of personal documents. Difficult in collection of data. How it is? It was rarely recorded. Even though it is recorded, after some time we would like to erase or destroy it. Hence, it is difficult to treat as a confidential data. Second, reliability of data. Because the author used it to write his own ideas, feelings, likes, dislikes, opinion. That's why the data is full of exaggerations and distortion. So it is rarely used. Third one, difficulty to reach the definite conclusions. The personal documents do not represent about the present social conditions and also never utilize scientific method, and the author abnormal sensitive feelings were also added. That's why this type of information is not more authentic. The suggestions for the personal documents. Mr. Gottschalk has given some circumstances while they are doing their research. As if the investigator to believe that the respondent's statement is truthful. Second, unbiased observation. Third, if the statement is prejudicial, that develops the truth in unusual manner. The facts at issue of common knowledge, that information is unluckily mistaken. The investigator interest about the incident that will give the negative statement or minimum partially negative statement. In case respondent has given contrary information, then the investigator try to adjust it. The above or the respondent information is only in case of illiterate person. Then the role of investigator should be like this. He should always cooperate with the respondent. The document should be purchased out of need. An anonymity of personal documents of respondents has taken over by the researcher. A large number of samples is needed to achieve the reliability. Once again we will rebrush. The another source of data. Example, memories. Some persons are interested to write down their memories. Example, out of their traveling, participation in war, hunting, expeditions, excavations, explorations, mountaineering and assaults, etc. But it says excessive exaggeration about their successive achievements. Hence, memory should not be considered as a reliable source of data because of the excessive exaggeration. Limitations of personal documents. Number 1, difficult in collection. It was rarely recorded. Even though it is recorded, after some time we destroy it. Hence, it is difficult to treat as a confidential data. Next, reliability of data. Because the author used it to write his own ideas, feelings, like and dislikes. That's why the data is full of exaggerations and distortions. So it was rarely used. Difficulty to reach the definite conclusions. The personal documents do not represent about the present social conditions. Never utilize the scientific data or scientific method. And also author's abnormal cum sensitive feelings were also added. That's why this type of information is not more authentic. Suggestions for the personal documents. Mr. Gottschalk has given some kinds of circumstances while the respondent is giving their responses. Example, as if the investigator to believe that respondent statement is truthful. Second, unbiased observation, that is indifference. If the statement is prejudicial, that develops the truth in an unusual manner. The facts at issue of common knowledge, that information is unluckily mistaken. Investigator interest is about their interest, that will give the negative statement or partial statement. In case respondent has given contrary information, the investigator try to adjust it. The respondent's information is only in case of illiterate person it will be suitable. Next, the role of the investigator should be like this. He is always cooperate with the respondent. Document should be purchased. The anonymity of personal documents of respondent had taken over by the researcher. A large number of samples is required to achieve the reliability. By this, today's lecture is completed. This is Bindu taking leave from the YouTube platform. Okay, good day.